Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance and I'm back with another fragrance video. So today's video is going to give you my first impression on a fragrance from the house of Chanel, and it's Chanel Allure Homme de Blanche. So I'm going to unbox this, show you how the bottle looks, spray it, and let you know how it smells, and give you my first impression on it. So if you'd like to hear more about this fragrance, please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. This is a 2008 release fragrance, no other than Chanel Allure Homme de Blanche. I have notes right here with all the fragrances on it, so bear with me here, ladies and gentlemen. The notes are black pepper, ginger, pink pepper, bergamot, sandalwood, vanilla, tonka, white musk, lemon, and cedarwood. It's a big note breakdown, but I'm going to show you the box presentation, the bottle, and see how it smells for my first impression. So this is the box it comes in. 50 ml bottle right here. Side. Here's the back with the information. Here's the other side. Here's the top with the Chanel logo on it. The bottom, the batch code and information. Let's unbox the top. It's weird because it's in the front where it pulls instead of in the back when it pulls. It looks a little different. Side. The bottle. Has Allure Homme de Blanche. That kind of gold, white, and silver. Really nice. The bottom. The back with the batch code 2001. You guys can see that 2001. Top has Chanel. Top here has Chanel. So I'm going to spray this on the test strip, see how it smells. So from initial spray, when I first sprayed this on, when I first got it, very, very lemony. Some people do say it has like that clean, like when you have like products that you use to clean your bathroom, stuff like that. And I kind of can get that smell. But then on the other hand, when I wear it after the first 5-10 minutes, it kind of goes away and it's just a real fresh, like lemon, kind of lemon. And like some people do say it's like lemon meringue pie. I kind of get that vibe. But mainly I get a lot of fresh lemon in the opening of this fragrance. Excuse me. Just great. I like this fragrance. It smells really pleasing. I've worn it a few times already. I don't want to get in too much in longevity and projection. But I've worn it and I'm very happy with it so far wearing the fragrance. This is just my first impression on this fragrance here. I picked this up when I was on vacation. I saw it at a Chanel boutique overseas. I think I was in Rome. I was in Rome and they had this. And it smells really great. I know a lot of people have this fragrance and they do like it. I know some people say they don't really like it as much. So it's like a mixture of good and bad, some people have said. If you like this fragrance, please leave a comment below, let me know. If you tried this fragrance, leave a comment below, let me know. If this is something that you guys are going to buy down the road, please leave a comment below, let me know. So this is a good fragrance so far. I'm gonna give you the price point. The price point, 50 ml bottle. This is $95 on Chanel's website. 3.4 ounce bottle is about 3.4 ounce bottle is about $120, and the big boy, the big 5 ounce, is $155. Chanel prices are pretty expensive. We all know that by now if you buy Chanel fragrances or check them out. If you want to buy a sample of this, you can pick it up at eBay. They do have a couple people selling it for like $15 for samples, and some for $7 and some for $20. So there's different variations on there. So far I like this fragrance and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to try it out some more and hopefully have a review up in a couple more days. Thanks for watching this video. If you like Chanel fragrances, please leave a comment below if you like Chanel fragrances. If you like fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways, well, you tuned to the right channel. All I ask is, since this video is about to end, please consider hitting the subscribe button to support my channel. Hit the like button and click the bell icon so when I upload new fragrance reviews, it'll go right to your feed in YouTube. Thanks for watching my channel. Until my next video, peace, guys.